We can process and edit documents more quickly by flexibly using shortcut keys. Then, how can we customize shortcut keys in WPS Office? First, click Menu and Options to enter the Customize ribbon interface. You can see keyboard shortcuts in the lower left corner. Click Customize to take you to the Custom Settings dialog. Take Insert Picture as an example. Head to the Insert tab in the left categories and then find Insert Picture in the corresponding commands on the right. You can see the description of this command at Description, Insert a picture from local folder. Next, click the Edit box, press New Shortcut key at Specify Keyboard Sequence and enter Ctrl-P. Then complete the setting by clicking Assign in the lower left corner of the dialog box. Thus, when using Ctrl-P, we can quickly insert local images into documents. If you want to delete the customized shortcut keys, navigate to the Customize Keyboard dialog once again, find the corresponding command, click the shortcut keys at Current Keys, and click Remove to delete. You can also click Reset All to delete all customized shortcut keys. Customize WPS Office shortcuts. Did you get it?